This is Yasmeen and I welcome you to hyderabadwala.com. Today I'll show you how to make chicken salad for 2 servings. Add half kg chicken with bones to a pan. Add half cup water. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well and close the lid. Cook on medium to low flame till the chicken gets tender. Cook till the water is dried. Remove and discard the bones and shred the chicken. Add 1 tablespoon oil and stir fry the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes. To a serving plate, add 1 cup shredded cabbage. Add 1 tablespoon diced cucumber. Add 1 tablespoon diced capsicum. Add 1 tablespoon grated carrot. Add few onion rings. Add half of the fried chicken. Drizzle tomato sauce and mayonnaise over the top. Chicken salad is ready. Thank you for watching. Please share, comment and like this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.